Welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making one of the most loved Indian sweets, Motichur Laddu. Soft, rich and full of festive flavor. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup gram flour. Now sieve it well. These laddus are often used in wedding and festival as a symbol of good fortune. In some temple, Motichur Laddu is offered as prasadam for its pure and rich taste. Add half cup water. Mix into a smooth batter. Now heat up some oil. Take a strainer and gently pour the batter through it. The batter should be smooth and slightly runny for perfect boondi size. Fry on medium heat until the boondi turns golden and crispy. Always fry on medium heat. Too hot oil makes hard boondi. Motichur Laddu literally means crushed pearls in Hindi. Beautiful, right? It's believed to have originated in the royal kitchens of Rajasthan. Now transfer the boondi to a blender. And blend it coarsely. Blend the boondi lightly, not too fine, it gives that soft texture. In another pan, take 1 cup sugar and half cup water. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder. And a bit of yellow food color. Boil for about 5 minutes. Until you get 1 string consistency. 1 string sugar syrup is key for the perfect binding of laddus. Now add the blended boondi and 1 teaspoon ghee. Gram flour is rich in protein and good for digestion. Ghee adds healthy fats that boost energy. Mix well and cook until it separates from the pan. Now pour it into a plate, cool for 5 minutes. Cardamom helps in detoxing and adds natural aroma. Melon seeds add crunch and essential nutrients. Then mix 1 tablespoon melon seeds. Shape into beautiful golden laddus, and they are ready to serve. These soft and aromatic Motichur Laddus melt in your mouth, perfect for any celebration or just a sweet craving. Try this easy homemade version and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more festive sweet recipes made simple.